All right, standing in front of the Dodge Caravan here, 2013. I have the P0128 code. Seems to mean that that is a bad thermostat. The new one, Mopar part from the local Dodge dealer. It's 17 bucks after tax. Barely squeeze my hand back in here. Bolts, where is it? It's right there. There's the top one. Top bolt, bottom bolt, I can feel right down there. All right, let's see if we can get that thing out of there. Is my tray in the right spot? Looks like it might be. It's kind of hard to tell. I think it's in the right spot. Seems like it's out of coolant. I don't know if it's just stuck in the engine because that thermostat failed. I think that might be what's going on, if I understood it properly. Yeah, I think this extension piece I have is a little too long. Oh wait, I got it on there. A little bit long. I would suggest a little shorter extension, but I don't have one. Now it came off real easy. I think I can do it rest by finger after that. Let's see. Yep. Try not to drop it. Oh. Okay. It's a good spot for that. Let's see. There we go. That one was much tighter than the top one. That by finger. Oh, come on. Yeah, there we go. Should start hearing some fluid here in a sec, if there's any left in there. Come on. There we go. So it should come off now. Whoa, there it goes. How did I do? It could have been worse. Got this thing pulled up here. It's pretty easy. I wish I'd have stopped and actually put a diverter down there, because I definitely got stuff all over the belts, but I don't know. Fingers crossed that's not a problem. Okay, so I gotta get me a pair of pliers, squeeze these off the hose. There we go. Over to pry the tube off the housing a little bit. Stubborn. There we go. There we go. The new one put on there. Come on, get on there. There we go. That back up here. Whoop. Those didn't go far. Oh, something I forgot to check. The gasket is still on there. The old gasket is still on there. I gotta take that off. Oh, more fluid. Okay, where's that gasket? There it is. Here's the old gasket. Stay right there. Okay, I can see how to line it up through this spot right here. When I look down through there, I can see how to get it lined up. Just like that. Is that right? Yeah, seems right. It's going in anyway. Okay. Get it as tight as I can with my fingers. Come on. Oh, no, I can't feel it. Oh, there it is. This one's much harder to turn by finger. Oh, it's hard to get a grip on it. Okay. I think that's probably good. It wasn't on there that hard to begin with. How about this one? Can I reach it with the short one? I can. That one's much easier. That's probably good. All right. I think that's good. All right, got it back together, got it running. Sounds okay so far. Belt's not squealing. I guess I tried to wipe the coolant off of it. It's kind of hard to reach in there. So far, no new drips. I already poured a fair amount of this jug in there, maybe a third of it. Still is taking coolant. Might be about full. There's still none in the secondary reservoir. I think that means it's full. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and put some in here. Go at least to the minimum line, I guess. Alright, I believe I'm done. The $20 Walmart code reader did clear the check engine light. The engine has had maybe 30 minutes runtime since then, driving around a little bit and idling in the garage. And the light hasn't come back on. I don't know if it takes longer than that or what. I mean, again, to repeat myself, I don't know what I'm doing.